Me and my friend Asia and I'm Autumn, we're going to talk about a topic called technology. How technology has changed over the years. Introduction. Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about technology. How technology changed over the years. It's not about gadgets. It's about how tech change, shape, and connects. Technology. Think a way back. We're talking about the stone tools and the wheel. Imagine a time when a rocket system were just starting and people were trying out new ways to grow food. Anyway, that people were bad at computers in the past, but now people were better nowadays. And the industrial revolution hits, bringing in massive machines that changed how things were made. Communication. Communication back then was like today, but more different without technology. Today we use phones, but the past were these like signals and pigeons. Smoke signals are like they make a plan for themselves and they smoke. And pigeons, they give a pigeon to something to deliver the person. But it has to be a trained pigeon. Without trained pigeons, it cannot send the person along. More schools and telegraphs are more like these. It's our high tech for long distances. These more schools are like dots and lines. Can you believe it? It's not as easy as today. It's more different